Today, we're breaking down the 7 most impactful social media trends that will define success this year. First, video content remains king. Short-form content on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts now serves as both entertainment and educational research tools. Meanwhile, long-form video is experiencing a renaissance as audiences seek comprehensive information before purchasing decisions. Second, AI-generated content goes mainstream. 97% of marketing leaders now say marketers must know how to use AI. Audiences can detect inauthenticity, and they increasingly reject it. Third, social search overtakes traditional search. Nearly 1 in 3 consumers now skip Google entirely, starting their search on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. For Gen Z, this number exceeds 50%. Fourth, social commerce explodes. Global social commerce is projected to reach $2.6 trillion in 2026. The line between social media and e-commerce has essentially disappeared. Fifth, community management becomes a revenue driver. 76% of consumers feel more loyal to brands that reply to comments or direct messages. Sixth, authenticity trumps polished production. As social media becomes saturated with AI-generated content, audiences are gravitating toward raw, unfiltered, and genuine posts. Seventh, algorithms favor quality over quantity. Successful brands focus on building community and creating moments that matter,